Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have a wonderful story for you. It's a classic fable called The Hare and the Hound. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a very fast dog, a hound. This hound loved to chase other animals, but he never hurt them. It was just a game for him. One sunny afternoon, the hound saw a hare resting in a field. The chase was on. The hound started running after the hare with all his might. The hare was very quick. He zigged and he zagged, running left and then right, trying to escape the hound. The hound was fast, but the hare was just a little bit faster. The hare knew every little path and hiding spot in the field. After a very long chase, the hare finally darted into a small bush. The hound, tired and out of breath, had to give up. He lost the hare. A friendly goat who was watching the whole thing came over to the hound. The goat laughed a little and said, "Ha! It seems the little one is faster than you." The hound, still panting, looked at the goat and replied, "You don't understand, my friend. There's a big difference between us." The goat looked confused. "A difference? What do you mean you are both running?" The hound explained, "Yes, but our reasons for running were not the same. I was only running for my dinner, just for a meal. It was a game for me. But the hare? He was running for his life. He was running to survive." And this is the moral of our story. The motivation behind our actions is what truly determines the outcome. When you are working towards something you are deeply passionate about, or something that is incredibly important for your survival and well-being, you will find a strength you never knew you had. It's all about why you are doing what you are doing. The reason, the why, gives you the power to keep going, even when things are difficult. Think about it in your own life. When you are learning English, what is your why? Are you learning for a new job? To talk to new friends? To travel the world? Your reason for learning is your superpower. It's what will keep you practicing and improving every single day. Just like the hare running for its life, when your goal is important to you, you will find the energy to succeed. So what did we learn today? First, some new words. A hound is a type of dog often used for hunting. A hare is like a large rabbit, and motivation is the reason you do something. The story teaches us that strong motivation can make you do amazing things. The hare ran faster because his life depended on it. His motivation was stronger than the hound's. I hope you enjoyed this story and its lesson. Remember to think about your own motivations. What drives you? What makes you want to try your best? Find that reason, and you'll be unstoppable. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.